Construction of a critical bridge connecting Nsawora and Nsawora-Akontombra in the western north region is facing significant delays, sparking concern among drivers and commuters over the deteriorating state of the existing structure. The project, intended to replace a dangerously worn-out bridge, was launched to improve safety and ease transportation challenges along the route. However, progress has been slow, with the contractor citing funding constraints and heavy rainfall in the area as major setbacks. Commuters are growing increasingly frustrated and are calling on government to intervene and fast-track the completion of the project.
The bridge is a crucial transportation link for residents of Nsawora-Akontombra and surrounding communities. Awarded to Asabia Construction, work on the bridge began on March 2023 with an initial completion target of May 2025. But the project has stalled, leaving the old, dilapidated bridge in continued use, a situation road users describe as life-threatening. Drivers who frequently ply the route are raising alarm over the worsening condition of the old bridge and are urging authorities to expedite completion of the new structure to avoid possible disaster.
I think we were told every bridge has its expiry date or time of expiration. And then you could tell from normal view that this one is long overdue. Looking at the outrageous down access, look at the town, it's full of strangers, folk coming from Accra and also places. So when there is a break, people will not be able to carry out their businesses quickly, and it's making uniform impact. I mean, it's
so we are saying, in fact, it's bleeding in the amendment. I teach almost on Baba Blade from Nsawora-Akontombra. You both say, Mobile Blade at the Amay. Was that about? In fact, you're near the year.
Na bridge where they are even the Serena and Nadaroma.
Responding to these concerns, the resident engineer, Sharif Munta Wakil, acknowledged the delay, attributing it to persistent rainfall and funding issues. He revealed that the contractor has formally requested an extension of 4 months to complete the project.
We are on a project for the construction of a 90-meter span bridge on Nsawora to secure also. And it's a regional route under the Ghana Highway. There is a 90 meters span bridge, 4 spans, 20 meters at the ends, and 25 meters in between. There's a big slab bridge. So as you can see, we are done with all the substructures, and we are now launching the beams for us to carry out the superstructure. And our major challenge here is to wait for party. It's very challenging.